Nonstick surface offers reinforced coating that provides quick release and easy cleanup. Convenient handles are designed for easy handling in and out of the oven, even while wearing oven mitts. Heavy gauge construction that spreads heat evenly and prevents warping. Affordable bakeware with all the right qualities for better baking results. To bake your favorite food to perfection, start with Perfect Results Premium Nonstick Bakeware. These pans feel noticeably heavier than most comparable brands, assuring you that Perfect Results Premium Nonstick Bakeware will heat evenly for years of baking perfection. Top reviews from the United States. Great product as advertised. Got some cookies to cool, this is the one. I felt compelled to write a review because of pricing. I looked at this when it was around $3 and put it in my to buy later area thinking it was not urgent, and I do that when something is small or cheap so as to combine it with other products. Saves shipping material, transportation, etc. Less carbon footprint. Well, when I was ready with other items this was over $11. I used my Camel add-on app to track the pricing, and it came back down within a week, but if I wasn't paying attention I would have spent 4 times, bought 2, the amount I should have. Watch for pricing on this. 4 stars for value and functionality. Not worth $23 for 2 though.